Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wabihi nasta'inu wa ala umuri dunya waddin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. La nabiyya ba'd. Good afternoon everyone. Nice to meet you all and welcome to my presentation. Okay, for the first, let me thank you for watching my video. I hope you all in good condition or healthy condition. As we know, we are now in bad condition because pandemic, and may Allah bless you all. My name is Nengdewi Mayasari. I'm a lecturer from Syariah Faculty in Islamic Bandung University, West Java, Indonesia. In this opportunity, I want to presenting my research by title Analysis of Human Resource Competency on the Efficiency of Pesantren Management in West Java by using data environment analysis method, which is made to social and Humanity Research Symposium, as we call by SORIS 2020. This organized by Universitas Islam Bandung. My presentation are divided to introduction, method, after the results, and finally conclusion. Give me 5 minutes, I think. 5 minutes to cover this issue, and immediately let's begin with introduction. Some keywords like competency, research development, some management finance, building school, and the last data environment analysis method. The management of Islamic boarding school is currently still using simple management or manual system or manual management. That is due to the limited quality of human resource managing the Pesantren. The educational background of the financial manager Pesantren also be factored behind. For upgrade our management finance, we also must upgrade it for the human resource, okay? Because the background of the human resource are it important to improve the management finance in their building school. This is an example. There's 33 manager of school that are in the area of Depok, and surrounding just 3 financial manager have a background for education of accounting. From 33, these 3% have a background for education of accounting, and the rest is not derived from finance or accounting. Introduction. In order for an institution to be successful or run well, its human resource must be of high quality human resource. To create quality human resource, competency is needed, because if employees do not have competence, it will cause problem for the company. If their human resource to management finance do not have background about the accounting, that's impossible to improve the management finance, because they have no knowledge about accounting. It will cause problem for the company if the employment do not have the competence. The management of the boarding school is still using management that is simple manual system. It is due to the limitation of human resource manager of boarding. There's 2 literature review. For the first are competency of human resource. So the second, efficiency of Islamic boarding school management finance. Okay, let's talk about competency of human resource. According to Spencer says there are 5 characteristics of competency that affect employee performance. For the first, motives are something where a person consistently thinks, so he takes an action. The second, traits are a character that make people behave or how someone responds to something by way of the specific. For example, confidence, self-control, or power resistance. The third, self-concept in their attitude and value that someone has attitude and value measured by tests to the response to determine how value possessed person and what applies to someone doing something. So after that, knowledge is information that a person has for a particular field. Knowledge. Okay, knowledge is a complete competence. Knowledge about the accounting. The five skill are the ability to do a task specific, either be physical or mental. Efficiency of Islamic Learning School Management Finance can be defined as the management of educational activities associated with effort to obtain the fund needed by education and how to use effective and efficient funds. Effective and efficient methods, research methods. We use type of research use qualitative with an analysis of the data using the method of the data environment analysis, something called by DEA. So after that, mechanical collection data in the form of questionnaires given to the boarding school that exists in the database. After that, object related. Human Resource Competency and Islamic Boarding School Financial Management for several previous studies. We take this issue because many boarding schools still use a manual system. So from this research, we want everyone aware that background about the education management finance is important to improve the management finance of boarding school. So after that, data retrieval, this formulation of research problem, preparation of research method and instrument, data analysis, and concluding as research and discussion. This is input variable. You can see that name of boarding school for our example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 example. So after that, this is output variable. After the discussion, based on the above discussion that the school are already efficient. So the last is conclusion. The results are the competence of manager in Pesantren still not have an excellent capability of planning and organizing finance. There's no capability of planning and organizing finance. So that is affected to the management of finance because there's no capability to improve the management finance. So that's affected to management too for their boarding school. This is which from 9 school, just 5 school are very efficient. From 9 school, just 5 school are very efficient, and 4 school other are not yet efficient. Pesantren are not efficient is due to existing still that have not been doing the planning, so that expenditure is more substantial than the. That's our presenting by this research. I hope you all aware that the background of education management finance is important to improve their management boarding school, because if we still use manual system or manual management, I think there's no hope to improve the boarding school. Thanks.
Oke, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.